opened my door, I slid to the middle like I'd done before. Didn't need asking, didn't need a plan. That seed just knew where I wanted to land. He walked around, I watched him grin. Soon as he sat, I leaned right in, window down, hair in the breeze, laughing like the night was ours to keep. Now it's console separation, plastic by design, something in the way that never crossed the line. We used to ride shoulder to shoulder, heart to heart, my hand on his leg right where closeness starts. Tell me who decided this was progress or right? Feels like a conspiracy against love and day and night. Driving movies when the cold set in, didn't climb the bed, stayed right within. That old cab held us just fine. Popcorn shared, milkshake time. I'd feed him a bite, he'd just smile back. Movie playing, but we lost that track. By the time the screen faded to black, I was out cold on his shoulder, riding back. Yeah, console separation. Who thought this through? A line down the middle saying, don't get too close, you two. We used to melt the frost with a radio song. Now the space feels wide even when the ride's not long. Tell me when closing the distance went out of style. Feels like a conspiracy that's been working a while. Yeah, funny how the rules just changed their shape. Didn't say no, just set the brakes. Guess somebody learned our tricks in time, built the fence right down the center line. Yeah. So here's to bench seats and nights that linger. Two hands that met without thinking or filters. If love learned anything back in those days, it's closeness ain't accidental, it's how we're made. Yeah, console separation might be modern design, but it'll never be my head on his shoulder riding home late night. So what's the deal with no more bench seats and trucks? Guess somebody knew exactly what they were doing.